How low can you go? As a seller in the housing market, the anticipation of an offer can be very exciting as well as frustrating. Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. Selling a home, your home, can bring on many different emotions, especially when it comes to receiving offers. Your home is often your most prized possession or greatest asset. So if you receive a lowball offer, this can be a little daunting or even make you feel resentful. But don't despair. Stop and take a deep breath, because although it's a lowball offer, it is still an offer. Bottom line, no seller dreams on getting a lowball offer, but with an experienced agent and the right strategy, you can turn a mediocre offer into a great sale. Reach out to me and my team so we can help you strategize. I'm Daniela Duta with